Now, I got one more thing, and this is another thing that's going to be really useful on the channel, and it's behind me, so let me extend this thing and then we'll take a closer look at it. So I'm just going to run over here and move these boxes out of the way, and this is really cool. I'm excited about this device because this was on sale as well. This is another Elgato product, and it's a green screen that I can set up anywhere, and it's relatively portable. So I can basically sit in front of it here, and hang on a second, I've got something really fun to show you. Stand by. Well, welcome to my news set. Isn't this pretty cool? My TriCaster has all of these built-in virtual sets. I don't plan on doing a lot with this, but it's kind of a fun thing to be able to set up right in the spot that I'm shooting at. And in reality, this is actually what it is seeing on the camera, and then of course I can just switch back here and get the virtual set. I love how the desk here reflects my hands, which is really cool. And then I have the ability to move the camera around and do all this other cool stuff. My intent, though, with this green screen is actually to use it upstairs when I'm doing some streaming in that secondary location. I think it might be fun to just put myself over whatever I'm talking about as opposed to just not having any part of me on camera at all. And of course, if I want to, I can do some of this this stuff too with minimal effort just by setting up that green screen back there. I'm really impressed with the construction of this, so let me show you how it extends and lowers back down and can be moved around. Hang on. So when you're done with it, all you got to do is just push it down. It's got a really nice mechanism in the back here that I'll show you in a second. And then when it lowers down here, all you do is flip this handle over and close it up, and you can then transport it. It's got two stabilizer feet here at the bottom that you just kind of throw shut like this, and then you take it along with you. It's not the most portable thing for airplanes and the like, but it's definitely usable and very easily maneuvered around a school or something like that. So let me open it back up now in the other direction, and you can see exactly how the mechanism works here. And that's it. It just goes up, and when you're done with it, it just, whoa, it's about to fall over on me because I didn't put the feet down. When you're done with it, you just collapse it back down like so. And that is it. You've got yourself something that is very easily collapsible and transportable. And I've been really pleased with this, actually, more than I thought I would be. It's very well built as well. And you can put it into kind of the midpoints here without it falling back down on you. It's just a little unstable because I don't have the feet out right now. But you don't have to go all the way up. So it'll usually stay put. When you get a little bit closer to the bottom here is when it'll flop back down. But generally, if you kind of put it up to the midpoint here, it will stay in place, and you can adjust it for whatever your particular ceiling height might be. It really feels nicely built here too. I'm quite pleased with this. So I'm looking forward to playing around with this a little bit more. And I think I did okay on Prime Day. I didn't get some junk. I think I got things that will be useful for review purposes, of course, and we'll have some things that will help maybe with the production, namely that camera that will be overhead and the green screen. And I'm looking forward to playing with those two VR headsets to see which one might be the one that wins out for my personal daily driver VR device. So lots of fun stuff to come up here on the channel. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below, and let me know also what you picked up for Prime Day. And again, if anyone out there has a PSVR in the Connecticut area, do let me know. I'd love to come by and check it out and see how it all works. Until next time, this is Lon.TV. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, emudev.org, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.